Alrighty guys, this will be the elevator here at the Country Inn and Suites here in Elkhart, Indiana. Guess what? We got an Abell. Yes, we're going down. It's a nice elevator. It says, "Welcome to the wonderful state country." I like that. Alright, let's go down to the basement. Here at the basement, let's go to 4. Let's close the door. Here we go. Here 4. Nice hotel. Let's go down to B, the basement. Here at the basement. Check the phone box. It's the door handle. That turns. There's the 88 phone. Yes, we're going now. It's a nice elevator. It's from like the 2000s, I think. Adam's crap. Focus camera, there we go. No smoking. Let's go down to 1. Door close button works. Anyway, there's the floor indicator. And the certificate way up there. Adam's crap. And here we have 1. Very fast door too, by the way. A Pepsi machine. Nice. This hell is really weird. It's like, that's the only elevator in this whole building. But yeah, it's a Pepsi vending machine. But anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.